The youngest, the boldest, and arguably the most followed traditional artist in the game right now. Stepping back in the way, 2010, this man hasn't just played the game, Candace. He's rewritten the rules from working with legends like Abu Babum Kumeni, stepping up to finish his historic album, to building a solo career that is stacked with awards. Undeniable influence. Khuzani is just not an artist, man. This brother right here is a solid movement.
Listen, Sab, we're talking SAMAs, KZN Entertainment Awards, and Zanzi Viewers' Choice Awards. The trophy cabinet is, of course, heavy. And now a Metro FM Music Awards nomination. Khuzani joins us live in studio. A very good morning to you, King. Thank you so much for joining us on Best Mornings, and congratulations.
I like what you said. You said morning king. Yeah, I'm the king of Maskandi.
There we go.
Ngiyajabula kakhulu. I'm so glad to get this opportunity to be here in studio for the first time. So today I'm making history.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
So I'm so grateful for the opportunity that I've for the nomination of the Metro FM Awards for the first time.
Yeah, boy.
You see, ihlombelelo ne.
Hey, Ihlombe.
Ngiyabonga, siyabonga kakhulu. Uyabona makwenzeka izinto kanje kusho ukuthi I'm growing.
Yebo.
Because shooting is break my record.
Yebo.
Ngoba is for the first time nginominatwa, first time in the studio. So first time performing at the Metro FM Music Awards on the 25 of April.
Yeah.
So qopheka imlando nje.
Umlando nje kodwa uzojwayela uqopha umlando like isesegazini and you used to it.
Yes. Uyazi now ukuthi mina ngenza izinto engaze zenziwe bezibuze nje njengoba namhlanje sikhuluma indaba enkulu yokuthi nge-25 April in KZN.
Yes.
ama Metro FM azobe efikile egalelekile kuzobe konakele kakhulu eKZN angazi ukuthi kube kwenze njani
That's going to be a vibe.
It's going to be a vibe indeed. You just refer to yourself, of course, as the king of Maskandi, right? So tell us, what do you think has been sort of the biggest shift in taking the genre from the rural roots?
Okay, let's fix that thing. I'm not referring myself as a king. I am the king of Maskandi.
Yes! Oh, yes, you are the king. Sorry, I stand corrected on that. My apologies. I misspoke for a second. You are the king of Maskandi. I stand corrected.
According to the lovers of our music.
100%, 100%. So tell us, what's been the biggest shift in taking Maskandi from like its rural roots to the international game and making it mainstream?
What I can say, Uti Umaskandi, Angalela. Umaskandi previously noma mhlambe ngekhathi zakudala bewubukela phansi kube ngazuthi owabaculi abadala. Once you get old you have to look for Maskandi to sing, but for now you see ukuthi even ama 2K ashaw Maskandi atop up ama streams lokho kusho likhulu. So ke thina into esiyenzile ukuthi siqhubeke la begcine khona bomgqumeni nabomjengiseni njengoba nibona namhlanje sinominatwa kuma Metro for the first time akaze kwenzeke kwi generation edlule thina siyakwenza namhlanje. So lento yenziwa ama Metro ukuthatha uMaskandi ubekela. Let's hope ukuthi one day ama Metro azoba nayo i3 hours kaMaskandi. Uyabo ngoba we can't deny ukuthi uMaskandi now it's urecognized njenge genre at top because sesiyavela kuyona yonke indawo la besingaveli khona. So siyajabula ingoma zikaMaskandi ziyavela wherever you go. So lonto leyo isho likhulu kakhulu.
No, that is so true. You go to the clubs, man, you're like, you know, we're playing some Maskandi songs and the way people erupt, it truly shows what people are really tapped in and people really want to celebrate with their own authentic music. We have Khuzani in studio. We're celebrating with him being nominated for our Metro FM Music Awards. Maybe you're also part of the fan base. To me, my voice note. Hey, ingabi sivalo ayi WhatsApp because abalandeli baKhuzani bayonke indawo. Next thing, so my voice note. So please try and send them through.
So are you sure uyathemba ukuthi bakhona la?
Bakhona.
Usho kanje?
Bakhona.
Maybe one of them.
Because Igodi from all corners of the country.
Blue Nation.
Balaleli Metro, Blue Nation.
All the way.
So raise your hand up. Let's see you on 060-552-7303. Kuzani's in the building. We're talking all things Metro FM Music Awards.
SABC News, independent and impartial.
In the headlines, hundreds of
Mina ngithanda ngale generation yenu futhi angingabazi.
the magistrate's court
Akukho ungabaza niyazi ukuthi
suspended Ekurhuleni
nikuphi
Metro
ezingeni
Police
Yeah.
Department Deputy Chief.
as much as nihambule abantu futhi niyabathanda.
Yeah, but siyazazi sikhona. Siyazazi.
With your weather.
Yeah, but and sayithanda
If
challenge.
you're waking up in
Ngiyayithanda leyo nto. Like
Yeah,
for the
say-
longest of
15
time
degrees
Yeah.
expected to reach
besikhothama kakhulu.
4 degrees.
Hey kakhulu. Bonke la sifika khona.
Ngathi siyacela.
But now
Manje
17
singena la sifuna ungena khona. Yeah, bahlonipha futhi abanye abaculi beminye emkhakha.
Yes.
I must say that ukuthi they respect us. Unlike before, Mawucula uMaskandi bebathi, "Oh, who's this?" Now they know ukuthi is Con. And they don't undermine us. Enye into lesize kakhulu ukuthi abaculi bamaskandi bes associate namaculi bamanye ama-genres. So sajwayeleka kalula. Yabo.
Best news with
So enye into esize kakhulu.
only on Best Mornings. Best Sports with Owen Henny.
awento ebalulekile leyo.
Yeah.
Hey, Owen.
Well, let's get you updated on last night's
Yeah,
football
what's up?
action. Osmane Dembele scored twice as Paris Saint-Germain beat Liverpool 2-0 at Anfield, sealing a 4-0 aggregate win to reach the Champions League semi-finals. The defending champions held firm under pressure before
Definitely,
struck in the
definitely.
72nd minute and added a late second.
Definitely,
couple of
man,
minutes
okay.
later. PSG now away Bayern
Yes, I
Munich
think
for round
Monelana.
two in the next round. Those two sides clash with each other, with Bayern leading 2-1 in aggregate. Meanwhile, Atletico Madrid are also into their first Champions League semi-final.
So when I link back, we go to voice notes.
Barcelona
I'm
on
gonna
aggregate
play.
despite the 2-1
Let me see
home
what
loss.
song we can load this
Goals from
side.
Lamine Yamal
Right.
and Ferran Torres stunned Atletico early, but Ademola Lookman struck back to send Diego Simeone's side through to the last four, and they'll face either Arsenal or Sporting, who play later this evening, with the London side leading 1-0 in aggregate. Those games kick off at 9 o'clock tonight. Back on, Banyana marked Bambanani Mbane's 100th appearance with a wonderful victory.
Today, the party will continue at the Metro FM Music Awards Festival. That goes down at Moses Mabhida People's Park. Tickets are available for 300 Rand. That's for general access, and 750 Rand available for VIP. So the tickets are available at Web Tickets. It's two massive experiences, one unforgettable night. You want to get your tickets now so you can enjoy the vibes. eThekwini, 25th of April. It is the Metro FM Music Awards. Metro FM, it's where you want to be.
udonsa umanyazeni la mfowethu ukuthi hayi lethu eloqala Good morning Metro FM. Good morning. Sabona bhuti. Hey bhuti man, mina ngithi angithanda ukubonga man, angithanda ukubonga ukuthi nithathe lo music lo wamaskandi nufake emepini kubonakala ukuthi siyama-Afrika, isinto sasekhona, asikhohlwanga amasiko. Mina ngithi nje angibonge wena bhuti, angibonge ngoba ishaya umusic omnandi lapho nometro uvele wabona kahle ukuthi hayi lise siyawufaka kuma-MMAs. Asibonge bhuti.
Ubani obengathinta ukhula nangu kusefikile sema.
Shaya ingoma mfana uthathe le award le Metro phinde nase-Carnival City sobe sikhona futhi sizowasela.
Wanyakaza intokazi emhlophe. Uyibonile mama?
Hayibo, yanyakaza yathi
Sandy Betty for life.
ngiyayibona ifuna ukusina manje.
Uyibona?
Hayi ngiyayibona.
Awuyifundisa.
Hayi ngizokufundisa. I will teach you how to dance
you so much.
for our songs, eh?
Awusibike mfethu abangakwazi la emetro mfethu. Awuyishaya ithakazela zakho wekhuzani mfethu bakwazi. Awangene. Ngisayibuyisa.
Yamemeza idlove emnyamesa ukhuluma ngolilizela zonke izizwe ngisho lephesha komzimba bayizwile lo mvungu emngani wami. utshela mina wethu nguphendu yazi iminingi umflatha zimncisho mathamba edloko zabo lemva kwedle komkhulu hayi shelo mpahla
Mosho! Khuzani!
hayi konakele kakhulu
Hayi konake.
hayi konakele
Akunethi imvula ilanga likhona.
hayi kunjalo nje
Kunjalo mfowethu. Hey, yabona sekuvula inkawa ke manje.
wakhumbula le ndlebe
Uyabona?
suka
Angenza okay
Asuke bayidudula.
Imoto enethayile emhlaba. Natso. Awuyishaya ke manje. Uzoperform ekseni.
Itane njalo lentazo manikenikana uthatha amashansi manikenikana ingane njalo lentazo manikenikana uthatha manikenikana uma ushona ntombi manikenikana ha
Pezwa!
kuye mawusambona
Khuphula!
ha
Welcome, Kuzani. I know what to support Real Madrid.
It feels good. The best feelings start here on This Mornings with Sammy and Candace.
We're gonna go for a quick ass, yeah.
know the sound.
Yo, bonga foi. Yo.
iyo puti
Ayo.
Why should your business slow down?
hayi no
With Capitec Business, it doesn't. You get lower fees.
hayi eshaya hayi you are so good Ah, you're so good.
Max on better.
Yo.
Capitec Business
that.
Banking. Capitec is an authorized credit provider.
You ready?
4069. Initiation service fees and conditions apply.
You know how you know that our life is Zulu.
I know that.
The final of our ICC
100%.
You know what time.
India in front of a
When
billion
Umazulu.
cheering Indian fans.
Mazulu. Mazulu.
Tina, you also want to spin that die. I see.
Sambe seka.
I see a car.
Eh.
Watch
Great.
this unmissable.
And now you don't have to go to the river to fetch water. We got taps now.
We have everything in the house.
Yes. Got TV, got Wi-Fi.
Let's get behind
You know,
the
a few cars with your name. It's ready.
Book today
There is Wi-Fi, television.
Stand by.
to be unbreakable.
Khuzani, I am Slomo Ngumalo from Ladysmith. Already I voted for King Khuzani several times. So I hope on the 25th of April we take this award. We're going to take this award. Thank you very much. We love him. We support him. I'm a big fan of Khuzani.
You know, one has to ask you, Khuzani, because Mas Kuluma about the things that you've been able to achieve, insane things. Like, you are an artist who's broken so many barriers. Kuluma Ngumuntu, who sold out Moses Mabhida
That's crazy.
Stadium in
Do you understand?
in 2019. Just imagine.
Collaborating international artists. Like, Mouse Berger, you knowing where you want to take this thing. Yi nengilandela.
I said, I think I've done a lot here in South Africa. Now I want to build my name overseas, outside the country. I want to see myself on stage.
Yeah.
Outside South Africa. I want to, as last year in November, I won the 2 awards in Los Angeles, Harper Awards. So that's what, that's how I wanna start this journey of being an artist outside, not always here in South Africa, because what you must check is that there are a lot of artists that are coming in Maskandi genre to uplift this genre. So when we not growing our names outside the country, that means we're gonna stuck here and we might end up fighting each other because there will be no way to go because abaculi baningi manje yabo, so kumele sidedele intwana nazo zingene zizwe senyana, then thina singena ama awards amakhulu njengalala siphinde sibonakale futhi ngaphandle kwezwe. Lokho kwenza kanjani? Ukwenza ngokuthi okay, le angayisho le angayisho no izosuke manje omunye ulalele uzoyithatha manje ayenze yakhe yabo, ukuthi how I want to start this.
But how do you deal with that? Like, because it's kind of sneaky. They're scared of doing certain things. Or rules kuluma,
yeah.
You know what I mean? Do you sometimes go for a band who you feel like are trying to imitate you as a Khuzani? Because if it works, someone else might try to be like you.
Yeah. Yeah. Isikhathi esiningi lokho kuyenzeka. But as I said to you, ukuthi angithanda ukukhuluma kakhulu, mina ngiyindoda ethanda ukwenza, futhi angiphikisani nabantu. Umuntu anginankinga umuntu osuke ethanda ukuba yimina, yabo, engaba yimina at any time, but akumele ngibe predictable kubantu. Yes, so that ngizokuthi bengikopele kalula. Yeah.
Right, you mentioned earlier on that your music is appealing to Gen Z as well, right? The younger generation. What makes it so relatable to the younger kids? What stories are you telling in your music?
In my music, when I say umshado awulonijele,
marriage is not jail.
I'm not showing you a ring.
Yes.
I'm just putting my hand here.
Oh, yeah, you did raise up that left hand. Yes. Put it under your chin. You're trying to send me a message.
No. There is a song that said umshado awulonijele. So people must not afraid to get into marriage because it's not like prison. So it's like it's a place where you must feel freedom. Yes. So indawo yokujabula, indawo kumele wazi ukuthi uma usushadile noma washadelwa usuku usuzojabula, usuku usunekhaya, usuku usunendawo la uzoshaya khona umthetho, la nawe uzoshayelwa khona umthetho. So kumele siyeke lento yokuthi that's what my music said. Yeah, it's like encouraging people, young people, even if you're not sure how to approach a girl, I'm telling you the tips on my music.
Wow, so it's all love related.
Yes.
Right? Stories about love. I love that. So
Yes,
beautiful.
yes.
Putting you on game. So abantu balalele njengamanje, they want to vote for you. Where do they do and how do they go about doing that?
Hey, ngiyacela ne, whoever who is listening, he must tell anyone ongalalelanga ukuthi ngiyacela. Let's people vote for me. Bangakhohle ukuthi if I win this award, it will be the first Maskandi to win the Metro FM award.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let's people help me to make this history. I deserve it because sengihambe kakhulu ibanga elide nomculo nguthatha ngubeka kwenye indawo. So I think I deserve this award. If you want to vote for me, you can vote as many as you want
Yeah.
by pressing on your phone star 120 star 45787 hash. Let me repeat it because there are people who are pressing their phones as I'm speaking, so they want to vote for me. You press star 120 star 45787 hash
That's all.
and accept the terms and condition by pressing 1. Accept if it may ask you. Then you press next because it will show another genres. Then you'll press next up until you find Maskandi.
Maskandi.
Then when you get into Maskandi, you must press I think it's 20, number 20. Then you must look for Khuzani, you jump all others. Then you jump.
I love that. Yes. Skip past everyone else.
If it's asking for you to vote for someone else, just skip that one.
Yes.
We are not here for him.
You're here for
So
Khuzani.
you must looking for Khuzani, you press next. If it says 0, you press 0, then you press yes. Then you up until you see the name Khuzani. Then you push for yes. It will say thank you for your vote. Wait for the 25th of April to see your outcome. Please, and do it again and again and again and again.
That's so much.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so thorough. That's a demo. That's a play-by-play, blow-by-blow
Yes,
demo.
yes,
Thank
yes,
you for
yes,
that
yes.
tutorial. That was brilliant.
Yeah,
It's a reminder for other
yeah.
artists to understand that if an artist as big as Ukuzani can remember the numbers, he's not reading this off the phone.
Yes.
He's literally telling you step by step because he understands Amafen's work. He understands his community. So it says a lot about you. And also, we have to say shout out for Izolo, for example. You communicated.
Yes.
Something that other artists can learn from artists like you.
Yeah.
Good hi. As early as 6.
Yeah, well ahead of time. You
Well ahead of
communicated.
time, and we thank you for that. And I share this because other artists tend to feel like when you come for an interview, you're doing us a favor. You're doing this is for you and your family.
Yes, it's for me and it's about me and my
Exactly.
family. It's not about you. So in fact, I'm the one who's looking for this favor to sit here. Yeah. So ngiyabonga kubonga mina ne.
Yes.
Kubonga mina nangendlela engamukele ngayo. I'm glad. As I said, ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthola leli thuba. But again, the important thing that I didn't mention earlier is to encourage people to go and buy the ticket for this event, and tell them that there will be awards in ICC, inside ICC.
Yes.
But if you buy the ticket for People's Park, you will still be able to watch the awards on the screen.
On the screen,
Yes. What you need to do, you need to just do one thing. Just go and buy the ticket.
And you get to see Ukuzani live.
Live. When you buy it. Yes, and also will perform there. There is my song that Yamnandi ngoma kwata ngisenizohlanya.
That's all there.
Yamnandi ngoma kwata ngisenizohlanya. Awuzwe nje. Ah!
So it's just Namona.
Nice. That was awesome.
That was amazing, Khuzani.
That was so awesome.
Ngiyabonga.
Somebody angafunda okuningi, man. Like
Ne? Ngiyabonga mfowethu.